All right, I'm masking a window right here, and we're going to be caulking same day that we spray this thing. So one really good tip is Tower makes a caulking that you can put on and you can spray immediately, and you can even spray it with flat paints and it won't crack. So the product is called Accelerator. So you can caulk this with Accelerator, spray it, pull it. If you're gonna be brushing and rolling, you can actually brush or roll over the Accelerator caulking within 30 minutes. So it's an awesome product if you wanna paint over your caulking immediately, but there's kind of a gap in this window that the drywallers didn't fill. We want that to look crisp and clean. So we're gonna mask it with frog tape, and right before I spray it, I'm gonna caulk it, spray it, and pull the masking while it's still wet. But I ran just frog tape around the edges so I don't get any bleeding on my bronze window. Now I'm just gonna drop plastic over it.